This is Mughe Gourmet Mediterranean Delicacies. These are taffy, and we are going to eat them straight out of the box, but we're also going to add them to some recipes. These are vegan friendly. Oh, they're from Istanbul, Turkey. Look at these. Yum. They are squishy and delicious. Oh my god. These are so good. They're covered in powdered sugar too. So you can eat these just as they are, like taffy candies. These are acting as ice cubes. It's gonna chill down our drink, and then we get to eat the candy. Okay, so let's start with a scoop of almond-based ice cream. This is gonna taste so good with this. Some fruit, these are blackberries, and to top it off, a little bit of fresh lavender. This one's peppermint. This is the pink flavor. I love the consistency when it's like kind of frozen.